Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths Tutor. Our question is, Antarctica has a total land of area equal to 13,332,035 square kilometers. If we round it off to the nearest 1000, what will we get? Okay. Now, total area is 13,332,035. Okay. Now, to round off to the nearest 1000, rounding off to the nearest 1000. Firstly, here we can observe that 5 is at unit place, 3 is at tens place, 0 is at hundreds place, and 2 is at 1000s place. Okay, 3, 3, 2, 0, 3, 5. Now here 2 is at 1000s place. Now to rounding off to the nearest 1000, firstly check whether that number is less than 5 or greater than 5. Here we can observe 2 is less than 5. So, rounding up, just rounding off here, just keep that 2 as it is. If it would greater than 5 or equals to 5, that number will changes to the next number. Okay, means we need to add 1 to that number. But here as 2 is a less than 5, we can put that number as it is, and the remaining digits will be 0. Hence, that number will be 13,332,000. Hence, the required area be 13,332,000 square kilometers.